AI Content Sniper Review and Bonuses. Your secret weapon for passive income. Welcome to my AI Content Sniper Review. If you've been grinding for traffic, writing endless blog posts, or burning money on paid ads with little to show for it, this plugin might just change everything. In this AI Content Sniper Review, it'll break down how this next-gen WordPress plugin automates your entire content marketing workflow. From keyword research to writing, formatting, optimizing, and publishing. All using powerful AI engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. The creators, Anthony Rousick and Mark Whiteley, built this plugin after their own burnout with traditional methods. They realized the need for something faster, smarter, and beginner-friendly. And that's how AI Content Sniper was born. Now let's get into the good stuff. This isn't just some fancy content spinner. AI Content Sniper builds SEO, optimized blog posts, injects images, integrates with Elementor and Gutenberg, and even helps you monetize using affiliate links, all without writing a single word yourself. You can literally go from topic to fully published post in under 60 seconds. Talk about efficient. Even better, the system includes a full suite of bonuses. The bulk post creation plugin, the Content Sniper SEO keyword plugin, the Content Helper plugin, the sales notification plugin, step-by-step PDF checklist to keep you moving, total value over 1,100. But you get it all free when you grab AI Content Sniper during launch. This AI Content Sniper review and bonuses wouldn't be complete without pointing out the massive benefits for bloggers, publishing daily without burnout, affiliate marketers who want free traffic, agencies that need content fast, complete beginners looking to rank without writing the training walks you through everything. Whether you've never blogged before, or you're just tired of the old grind, AI Content Sniper has you covered. So, what's the cost? Just $17.97 during launch. But that price is going up every 60 minutes until it hits $0.97 and eventually becomes subscription only. Launch begins the 21st of July at 9:00 a.m. Eastern and ends the 26th of July at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. So don't miss your chance to grab it at the lowest price. Make sure to check out my bonus page, which includes exclusive extras you won't find anywhere else. But only if you buy through the link in the description. This plugin really is plug and play. Just install it, enter your topic, and the AI does the rest. It's no surprise. The early AI Content Sniper reviews are calling it a total game changer. So if you're looking to automate your blog, generate hands, free commissions, and finally, stop spinning your wheels, click the link in the description, grab my AI Content Sniper bonus, and get started today. And while you're there, be sure to check out the full demo of AI Content Sniper so you can see it in action.